EverBank has 7 accounts. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is defining what it means to truly invest in your future. So, hi guys, and welcome in this video where I will talk about EverBank high saving accounts. So, first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various information about Everbank, and then let's know what is Everbank. Everbank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike, with a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service. Everbank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, Everbank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them, all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So in the homepage here we have various things like you have your 5% apply gifts, your savings and advantage, posting a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee. Our Everbank Performance Savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder. So here we have. Also, if you want to open your account and if you want to find your account, all you have to do is click over login and you start with it. Then here we have the button of research. You can search for whatever you want. Then we have how much people is using this Everbank. Then if we scroll down, also we have other things. As you can see, you have your business banking beyond the basic. We have specialized financial solutions. Then we have here Ever Protected with FTC assurance. You can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe. At EverBank, your deposits are automatically insured by the FTC up to the legal limit. Now, if you ever performing, you deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed, from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. If we scroll down, we have also other things here like 5% here, Everbank Performance Savings. Take your savings to the next level with our higher yield account, posting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then we have here it's time you bank it or more, and we have you get more out of your money and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then we have your strong security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have your free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Freely access your cash at over than 80,000 no-fee items across the country. Then we have mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. Then about us, we have here learn about our reach, history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and unwavering commitment to your financial success. Then here we have also information to keep it in mind. So all I have to do is read it like we have here the coded EverBank Performance Savings Account annual percentage yield is accurate here. As you can see there, we have EverBank N.A is an FDIC insured national banking associations. Then we have we do not charge ATM fees and will automatically reimburse you up to $15 for the ATM fees paid at another U.S. We have must be an existing bank client enrolled in online banking using the EverBank mobile app, and we have also other things here. In this cover we have about us, awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search cars, and about resources we have ATM finder, branch locations, form and applications, accessibility, my money program also, and other things. And then if you come back to the top here, we have also your personal, and We have here banking, today's rates, support, high yield account, performance savings, performance money market, performance chicken. You have CD accounts, performance CD, diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe here, online and mobile. We have online tools and services, mobile banking, send money with silly awards and recognition. And then we have business here, business home, today's rates, support. We have accounts here, chicken overview, money market, high yield cities. We have business CDRs, cities, currency access account, and you have your services, treasury services, merchant services, foreign exchange. Then we have online and mobile, business online banking, mobile banking also, and then we have commercial here, commercial home, client services. Then we have B2B solutions, fund financing, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing. Then we have the last one, it's about home leadership, security center. Then we have here cars, search cars, news and media. We have newsroom, awards and recognition. About every bank we know the hard work you put in to get where you are. And we want you to know that finding you an earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering constantly high yields dedicated service. And about commercial, we have here commercial overview. We are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service, and fast expertise to propel your business forward. So EverBank dis- distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individual and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high yield saving accounts and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go, with intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your accounts. Moreover, EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objectives. Its commitments to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial service. So then we have security is a top priority at every bank with advanced measure in place to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach coupled with deep local market knowledge allows every bank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. Every bank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic planning resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.